Hey, what's going on, you guys? It is Professor NFT here. So before we get started, this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research. All right, you guys, yesterday was a huge day. As you all know, we are in a bear market. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Floor price 58, record breaking NFT here. It's changing the game completely. For example, today, two NFTs minted, which was Lavish Lines and Scullies as well. Scullies are right now currently sitting on a floor price of 4.4. They actually pumped all the way to 13 SOL floor price, and Lavish Lines, I've seen them pump up to 8 or 9 floor price as well. So I actually called one of these plays in my Discord. Go ahead and join, you guys. So what I was saying in my Discord to most of the members that are in it, I told them, completely free, by the way, you guys. Discord's completely free. I don't think anyone should get charged for alpha. Go ahead, check out the Discord. If you guys don't like it, you guys could leave, but I'm 100% sure you guys will like it as well. So one of the main reasons I think projects are mooning after release is because we're seeing all this new money coming in from OKBears. OKBears was #1 trending in OpenSea as well. So we got a lot of heads turning our way into Solana NFTs. So OKBears, I think what they did, game changing, you guys, game changing to Solana NFTs and game changing to the holders of Solana NFTs as well. Go ahead, you guys, join the Discord like I was saying as well. One of my mods, shout out to him, 1 a.m. Neo. He does great plays. He knows a lot about Solana NFTs. He actually teaches me some stuff that I didn't know about. Shout out to him. He's a great guy. Go ahead, join the Discord, you guys. You wouldn't want to miss out. But let's go ahead, you guys. So I got another upcoming hyped up mint for everyone here, which is Trippin' Ape Tribe. So right now they have around 45.9k followers and their Discord chat goes crazy, you guys. Let me go ahead and open that up for you guys here. All right, so first thing we're going to look at here in their Discord is their FAQ. So what is Trippin' Ape Tribe? They want to be the first community PFP project on Solana backed by strong and ownable branding, storytelling, long-term utility, and a passionate community of degens. Their lore tells the story of how we all became to follow our mysterious leader, Charles, but don't worry, it's not a cult. And I'm just going to repeat that again. It's not a cult. So before we continue with the rest, let's look at their lore here. So they have this thing called the Code of Charles. So what this is pretty much their code of conduct. And you know what other projects have that? One of them being DeGods. DeGods has this sort of code of conduct principles. And looking at the great success of DeGods, these principles are good ones to uphold for successful launch and management. Let's go back here. So the roadmap's not going to be released yet. It's going to be released in the coming weeks. But here is some stuff. You're going to be able to stake. You're going to be able to embark on spirit quests to find your higher eternal self. There's going to be in real life events, which already happened once, and help drive the Solana ecosystem forward through the Ape Tank incubator. So you got to trust the process. The team's not doxed yet, you guys, but they are going to dox well ahead of the mint. So right here where they mentioned in real life events, let me show you guys here on one of the co-founders, Twitter, Danny DeVitoken. And here you go. This is one event. There you go, you guys. Oh, it's loud, but and this is in real life event. Just watching this is just making me bullish on this project as well. We already see how the community's going off right now. They're going crazy. Everything about this project, I haven't seen anything bad, any FUD going on lately. Just this chat's been going crazy. This community's looking strong. I'm getting a lot of good vibes. Trust me, you guys. I think this mint's probably the next hyped upcoming mint coming to Solana. They don't have a mint date yet or anything, but go ahead, get that whitelist, you guys. To get whitelisted, here it is, you guys. You just gotta be active, positive, and helpful member of the community, and the team's gonna handpick you guys. So go ahead, you guys, grind for that whitelist. This is not NFT you guys want to miss out on. So much hype. I'm bullish on this as well. Let me show you some of the sneak peeks. The art, I didn't even mention that. The art goes crazy too. I love it. It's insane. Just look at it. Yeah, this is one of the NFTs you cannot miss. And that's all for me today, you guys. Professor NFT is out, but like I say, always join my Discord, you guys. You guys don't want to miss out. And till next time, peace.